phalanges. One being I understood this. Two being I didn't really understand or I didn't understand at all. Show me. Everyone should have phalanges up. 0 is not an option. It should be a 1 or a 2.
Want to look at my phalanges?
Seeing about half and half,
Look
a
at your
lot of
fingers, they
2s.
look like sausage.
Natalie and Chloe, you gonna have to move?
No.
Okay, I need you to focus then. Okay, so we're gonna go over it because I see a lot of people who still have questions. Does anyone have specific questions about the text?
What were we supposed to mark it?
How about right now we're talking about what interpreting it?
Oh.
What do we think? Who can tell me what it was about that raised a 1? Desire? What did you think it was about?
I thought it was about on how he saw, or well, the author, on his point of view, when they were going to Ellis Island, on how he seen it from other people's perspective.
Good. Did we hear what Desire just said?
No.
Okay, well that's personal thing now. All right, so what did she say? Can somebody else tell me? Andrew.
She said that.
Ignore the camera. Ignore the camera.
That the way she said it was like that it was about the author's point of view and how he saw it from other people's perspective and like using their experiences as evidence for him to use his point of view, which was it's bad to be an immigrant or immigrant.
What do you mean by bad? Can you elaborate on that?
Like, cause the way he described the journey to America, like if you believe that it was good to be an immigrant or immigrate, then he would have used good evidence. But in this case, he didn't. He used bad evidence.
Good, very good, Andrew. Okay, so what Desire and Andrew just said, I think they just gave our class really good interpretations of the text from last night. Okay? So Wells is talking, he came here from the UK. Where's the United Kingdom?
It's in London, England.
Good. No, yeah,
It's in London, Europe.
Chloe just said it.
Where did you
I mean,
Say it
England.
again. England, good. Where One Direction's from? Yeah? Okay. All right, so Wells, the author, came here from the UK. Jocelyn Daniel, stop talking, please. Okay. He came from the UK to visit, so he wasn't an immigrant. And he saw Ellis Island and saw all of the immigrants, though, and wrote about it, just what Desire said. He was like taking on someone else's point of view. That kind of make the text make more sense? So it's about Ellis Island, it's about an author's visit here, and his point of view. Okay? I know that there was a lot of vocab, probably, that was unfamiliar. Did anyone have questions about any words? Look at your text. Look at text 6 now. Open it up. Yes. You didn't have to. That wasn't part of the assignment. Any words that we didn't know that made it even harder to understand? Desire.
Well, I don't know how to say it.
Which one? Show me. Or which?
And the fourth sentence?
Replete?
Yeah.
Does anyone have any idea what replete means? Abundantly filled. Okay, so let's put that in our own words. What do we think that means? Can someone retell me?
Maybe happy.
Replete, Emmanuel.
Oh.
Like moody. Happy.
What do you say? Happy? Not happy.
Sad.
It's not an emotion.
Like
Wow.
repeatedly being back? Like
No.
like
Okay, so it's telling us that it's full or abundantly filled. What do we think?
Many.
Full of immigrants.
Many? Good, okay. Did you say many? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, so many is a synonym for replete, okay? A Another way to think about here, they're talking about how on the boat there's just immigrants on and off and on and off. So it's like getting refilled with people. Does that make sense? So if I like fill up my water bottle, then I'm refilling my water bottle. Okay. Any other words? Naya.
Venture.
Venture. Any ideas what venture means?
Oh, miss, doesn't it mean like wander or look around and stuff?
Good. Okay, so what word does venture sound like?
Adventure.
Good job, Emily. Adventure. Okay, so if we combine what Andrew said, that it's like looking for something, going on maybe like a journey, and what Emily said about it being an adventure, what do we think that venture means?
It means like
It's like an adventure time, right? A venture can be a journey, it can be a trip, it can be walking around. When I think of it, I think of like walking around like a vacation-y spot. Like you're going on a venture through Hawaii.
What about Wicked?
Which synthesis? Good one. What do we think synthesis means?
like
Photosynthesis, Jocelyn? Is that what you said? Okay, so what is that process like? Do we remember from science? Do you say it sounded like it? Well, okay, so what we're doing now, what Emily said about venture sounding like adventure, Jocelyn just said that synthesis is like photosynthesis. When we don't know words, what we can do is we can think of what it sounds like. Not always does a word might sound like something and it might not mean the same thing, but a lot of time it does, or a lot of time it can tell us like clues on how to find things out, right? Because in high school and in college or even on standardized tests, y'all are going to get readings like this and you're not going to know some words, but we have to like not let it stop us from getting the meaning out of the text. So we have to try to find clues on our own to figure out what the words mean, just like adventure and photosynthesis. So, okay, so synthesis, what do we think that means? Any ideas? Desire?
Like a transformation?
Okay, a process or a transformation, that's good. What else? Somebody from Michigan. Chloe, Sabrina, or Eddie, what do you think synthesis means?
is it like you take something?
Take something? Okay, let's elaborate. What else? Information. What is it doing with the information?
It's gathering it.
Gathering. Combination. Good, Melina. So it's mixing different things. It says here on the bottom, a mixture or combination, a new unified whole that results from a combination of different things. So in the text, Wells is talking about how America or Ellis Island is sort of this, Daniel and Jocelyn, and it's becoming this like synthesis process. So all these people coming from other places to Ellis Island and coming into America is this process where different kinds of people are getting mixed up and becoming this like new America. Does that make sense? So it's almost like if you've heard of the melting pot, how America's the melting pot. You heard of that?
Oh yeah.
No. Desire, what do you know about that? What have you heard?
I've heard like different like kind of meanings for it, but one of them is like a mixture of all different like races and cultures, and we all play like this one big pot. America has all these different kind of cultures in it.
Exactly. Very, very, very good. So melting pot, good job, Desire. The melting pot in America is exactly what Desire said, okay? It's all these different people of different races, different ethnicities, melting sort of together to make America. Make sense? Kind of? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
All right. What else? Any other things we don't understand? Just maybe about like what's going on in general? How is he portraying America? How is Wells portraying America? What is he making America look like?
I think it's a bad thing.
A bad thing? Tell me why. Look at your text and tell me why.
Because he
What do you say, Natalie?
cannot pass.
Okay. So he's maybe seeing people and how it's difficult for them.
Not to pass with their family.
Okay, good, very good. So it's a difficult place? That place? What else? Somebody that's not Desire. I appreciate all the points that you're saying. You're making very good points today. Somebody from Notre